Okay, so you have the Transfer2PDF plugin for the ReadSoft Invoices product, and now you need to configure it and get it to work. So here's the configuration dialog. Well, now what do I do? So my main concern here, I think, is that I want a place for the image, path, and file name of the PDF file. Since the plugin is not native to Invoices, we need to add this in. And so what I'm going to do now is configure that so that there is a field that is used as a storage object. Now the naming, I'm fine with the default naming, but there are other options here that we can select and use any one of those names. But what we absolutely have to have is a field to act as a repository for that path and file name that we're going to insert into our invoice profile. So I'll select that from the storage object area, and I have to have the name the same in my invoice profile. I'm going to change this so it's just PDF file name. And of course I can set up the move file area as well. And then I'll have a separate place where my PDF files are going to go, and it should pick up that path when it puts it into the index file then. Okay, so once we have this configured, there's some other configuration that we need to do as well in Invoices itself. So the first thing we'll need to do is make a field type up, and to do this we go in the Manager module from the Administration menu and select List Field Types, then right click and select New to create a new type. Then once the field type dialog is open, we can enter our new type and a little description showing that it's a repository for the Transfer2PDF path and file name value, and click the Add Description button and OK, and we'll have our new type in place. Okay, now what we want to do is actually add the field to our invoice profile. So this needs to be exactly the same name that we configured. And if we go to our field type, then we can pull that down and we should be able to find that path and file name in there. There it is. Okay, and so we need to have a fairly wide range for this. So alpha, upper, lower, special characters, and the format specification needs to be large enough to allow for the entire path and file name, otherwise we won't get the value that we're looking for. Okay, so if we run a trial now, we can see that we are getting the index value, path and file name for the newly generated PDF file. So it looks like we did good. All right. Have a great day.